Want to use CoConstruct for accurate cost estimating, but not sure where to start? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how this software can simplify your estimating process, save you time, and help you deliver precise numbers every time. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try CoConstruct for free with some exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. So, if you're serious about improving your cost estimates, keep watching because I'm going to reveal all the important features CoConstruct has to offer. First off, when you get started with CoConstruct, the platform gives you a centralized place to track all your project data. This is huge for keeping cost estimating accurate. You can integrate your budget with real-time updates on project changes, which means no more worrying about outdated info creeping into your estimates. Whether it's labor, materials, or subcontractor costs, CoConstruct lets you manage everything from one place, keeping everything organized and up to date. Next thing, let's talk about the estimating templates. CoConstruct has pre-built templates tailored for different types of construction projects. Whether it's custom homes or renovations, these templates are designed to reflect the most accurate costs in the industry. You can quickly adjust material prices, adjust labor rates, and update quantities. And if something changes in the field, you can tweak the estimate right from the project page. This means you get a live, real-time cost estimate that reflects any adjustments made during the project. The third thing you should know is how CoConstruct makes it easy to track expenses. You don't just input estimates and forget about them, you get to track your actual spending and compare it to your estimates. The software creates detailed reports that show you where you're staying on budget and where you might be overspending. This real-time tracking and comparison help you catch mistakes early and make adjustments so you're always in control. Next up, CoConstruct also gives you a powerful change order management feature. If something unexpected comes up during the project that affects the cost, you can immediately adjust your estimate, create change orders, and send them out for approval, all through the software. This ensures your costs stay accurate throughout the project and clients are kept in a loop about any changes. The fifth thing to mention is the project collaboration features. CoConstruct helps you communicate seamlessly with clients, subcontractors, and team members. Everyone involved in the project can view and update estimates, so there are no surprises when it comes to final costs. Having everyone on the same page ensures your cost estimates stay aligned and your project runs smoothly. And here's one more thing, CoConstruct integrates with QuickBooks and Xero. This means you can sync your financial data between your accounting software and CoConstruct, keeping your cost estimates and accounting records tightly connected. This integration helps eliminate manual data entry, reduces errors, and improves your overall efficiency. To wrap up, CoConstruct is an incredibly useful tool for creating accurate cost estimates. From its project tracking to its change order management and collaboration features, it's a game changer for any construction business. And remember, you can get started with CoConstruct for free through the exclusive link in the description below, plus some bonuses to help you make the most of the platform. So, don't miss out on getting your hands on CoConstruct's full potential to improve your cost estimating process today.